Good morning, everybody. So today is science, and we're going to be looking at a new lesson and a new unit. Our unit is going to be talking about minerals. What are we talking about? Minerals, right up there. Okay, so let's take a look at our objective today. Our objective is to identify minerals by answering the Google form questions. Okay, so as you read this, and please do, this paragraph will talk to you about what we're looking for. Well, let's first look at the question. What is a mineral? That is the key thing today. When you do your Google form, that's going to be the first question. What is a mineral? All right, let's read it. Pick up a rock, for example, a chunk of granite. You can see that it is made of small pieces of different colors and shapes. The pieces in granite are minerals. There's pronunciation, minerals. Minerals are the parts that rocks are made of. Minerals are the building blocks of rocks. Rocks may be made of many minerals or just one. There are thousands of minerals. They have different shapes and colors. Here are the four minerals that make up granite. Okay, so we've read this paragraph. Please take a look at it and try to write down to yourself a note about what is a mineral. What does it mean? I'm going to read it again to you, and you guys are going to, I'm going to highlight it, and you guys are going to read it to yourself as I highlight the words. Go. Okay, so what is the idea of minerals? What are they? Hopefully, you found minerals are the building blocks of rocks, or minerals are the parts that rocks are made of. So let's make a little note to yourself. On our note area, we're going to say minerals, parts of rocks. Let's write that a little nicer because we should have good handwriting. And our building blocks. Let's just fix that one. Is a good handwriting, good spelling is important. Our building blocks for rocks. Blocks. Building blocks of rocks. All right, there we go. So how many minerals did you find? In this story, how many minerals do they tell us about? You should have found thousands. Are they all the same? No, they're different. Shapes and colors. So let's take a look. They're giving us four minerals. For what rock is it found in? One more time. Sorry, guys. I was a little cough there. What rock are these minerals we're going to look at found in? Granite. All four types of minerals are found in granite. Granite is a type of rock. So rock, granite, is a rock made of several minerals. Our first mineral. Take a note of these, okay? Because I might make you talk about it later. I'm going to read it to you. You follow along. Mineral. Quartz, many colors, or colorless. So what's this mineral? Quartz. Next mineral. Mineral. Hornblende. Dark black to green. Okay, so what is it? Hornblende. What color can it be? Well, you can obviously see it looks green in the picture, but they also said dark black to green in color. The next one. Mineral. Feldspar. Green to pink to blue. What was this one? Feldspar. Yeah. And what colors do they go to? Yeah, green, pink, and blue. Pretty wild. bunch of different colors there. Okay, next one. Our mineral is mica brown, clear or black. It peels into flakes. Okay, so what was this one? Is it mica or mica brown? Mica. So we have four different minerals: quartz, hornblende, feldspar, and mica, and they're all found in granite. So if you look at those pictures, you can almost see the colors. Like maybe that's feldspar right there, maybe right there, since that's clear or colorless, that could be quartz. Very interesting. Minerals are, like they said, the building blocks of everything. They're very useful. Okay, let's look over here. So here's another picture, same thing. And I want you to think, how are minerals different? Well, hmm. Did you talk about something about, well, look at these guys. I'll give you a clue. Could be colorless. This one can be green, pink, or blue. This one can be brown, clear, or black. This one can be black or even green. Hmm. So maybe you're thinking to yourself, hopefully you're talking about colors. But also let's talk about sounds. Look how this one is. This quartz is pointy and looks like crystals. On the other hand, this mineral feldspar is rather flat right there at the top. On the other hand, mica, they say it peels, it flakes. So maybe another one would be that's different because of, hopefully you're thinking, shapes. Okay? So that's how they're different. They're different by colors and shapes. But how are they found? How are they alike? Well, you are probably hopefully thinking it's where they're found. They're all found in rocks. They all make up rocks. Okay? So that's pretty much a basic idea of minerals. Let's look at our next one. Our next page talks about, let's read the title again. What are minerals used for? So let's find out. How can we use minerals? Let's read the page quietly to ourselves. I'll touch the board. Okay, so in this one, I'm going to read it again. Here's my big question today is, what do we use minerals for? There's a couple ideas in there. So I'm going to read it again. You read it at home, and then we'll talk about it. Ready? Here we go. People can take minerals out of rocks. Then we can use the minerals in many ways. From toothpaste to eyeglasses, minerals are used to make many things we use every day. So where do we use minerals? You should have said probably toothpaste and eyeglasses. But there's more. All right, let's look on the next sentence, next paragraph. You read to yourself quietly for a moment, and then we'll come back. I'm going to point to it as you read it. Okay. So in this case, we have two things. One, you probably hopefully found what other use for minerals. Probably you said cans, pots, and pans. Oopsie. Let's write that one again. Now, if we use all those guys, what mineral do we use? I bet you want to say aluminum. Let's check to make sure. Is it aluminum we're talking about? I'm going to read it. Also, let's look at that new word again that's been highlighted in yellow. Many minerals that we use are from ores. Ores are rocks that contain useful minerals. The mineral aluminum, for example, comes from the ore bauxite. We use aluminum for cans, pots, and pans, and even baseball bats. Okay, so what is the mineral? Is it aluminum or is it bauxite? Hopefully you said aluminum. So another mineral, aluminum. But wait, what is bauxite then? What is bauxite? And the new word to talk about is ore. Ore, rocks that have useful minerals. Meaning minerals that we use. Sorry guys, have useful minerals. Don't forget, if you're finding something that, if it's moving too fast, hit pause so you can finish writing your notes. Okay? All right, next, let's read one more thing, that picture. Take a look at that picture and tell me what you see. Hopefully you see a ring and you're going to say something like jewelry, right? Let's read that one and take a look exactly what type. I'm going to go with blue this time. Diamonds and rubies are gems, minerals valued for beauty, used for jewelry. So what is another mineral we just read about? You should have said diamonds and rubies. Two more minerals. Okay? All right, so we've seen a lot of minerals, and we're going to be talking a little bit more about how we use them. If you look, quartz. How do we use quartz? We use them for glass and glass products. So it means, in other words, your eyeglasses, your cups, your windows, everything can use quartz. Okay? How about this one is gypsum. Say it again, gypsum. Gypsum is found in drywall. In other words, the type of walls we have, we use gypsum as part of the filling. It fills the boards on the wall. Okay? Last one is copper. Copper is used for electrical wires, pots, and pans. Now here's the thing, is copper, what is copper? You probably think of copper as a metal. Then in other words, if copper is a mineral, are all metals also minerals? So what about gold, iron, silver? Are they minerals? Hmm. Yes. Yes, they're minerals. So why are minerals important? This is one of those questions you should probably think about yourself. Is it because they're pretty? Could be. Is it because we use them a lot? That's also a good one. So let's write down some ideas here. Pretty, like the gems or gold. Use them in stuff, use them for things to make. That's also true. But what else can we use them for? Well, we might use them for helping us, building things. You might have heard the word mineral about food. Anyways, all of these are why we have them. Okay, here's the thing what I want to talk about next. Your job today, you have a Google form to do. On your to-do list, you have a Google form that goes with this assignment. So it'd be minerals, lesson 1, day 1, quiz. Okay? Be careful, do well. Other thing, I want you to try something else. Research Arizona minerals. Does Arizona have minerals here? Are there special minerals just in Arizona? Or minerals more found just in Arizona? So what is found in Arizona? You might be surprised. And when you do find it, one of the assignments you have to do is do the Google Doc. Do the Google slide. Okay? That Google slide's job is that you are going to copy a picture, and write the name of it, and write the name of the mineral. Okay? That's all I'm asking for. It's not too hard. Give it a try. Try your best with this one here. The quiz is number one. This research is a little bit different, but something interesting to try. All right. I will talk to you guys later. I'll see you on Friday. Bye bye.